Amazing iRobot Roomba 960 robot vacuum. Additional features: 5x stronger power, expanded entire level coverage, 75-minute runtime, ideal for pet hair, Wi-Fi connected. iAdapt 2.0 navigation with vSLAM technology allows the robot to map its surroundings to clean an entire level of your home. Premium 3-stage cleaning system and power lifting suction delivered 5x the air-powered asterisk for improved pickup performance. Ideal for homes with pets. High-efficiency filter captures 99% of allergens, pollen, and dust as small as 10 microns. Clean and schedule anytime, from anywhere with the iRobot Home app. Customize cleaning, viewed clean map reports, and access support from your smartphone.